Friends, hello everyone. Powerful and impressive footage has emerged from the front. Operators of the Shadow drone unit detected and helped destroy a Russian howitzer along with its ammunition using a precise HIMARS strike. The operation once again demonstrated the effective coordination of Ukrainian reconnaissance and long-range fire. The video begins with a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone scanning a dense tree line in the early morning. After a short search, the operators spot a Russian howitzer concealed beneath the trees, while several Russian soldiers are unloading ammunition crates and preparing the gun for another fire mission against Ukrainian positions. Once the target is positively identified, its coordinates are immediately transmitted to Ukrainian artillery. Moments later, a HIMARS strike lands directly on the position where the howitzer, the ammunition, and the Russian soldiers are concentrated. The impact triggers a massive chain reaction as the stored ammunition begins detonating one round after another. In the final moments, the entire position is engulfed in flames, leaving behind only burned terrain where the Russian artillery position had stood just moments earlier.